We're going to the beach. Bitch, let's go get away.
Yes, so let's go to the beach. Let's go get away.
Sí.
Son 20 dólares. No van a dejar ahí que está en la bolsa.
Es una mangonada. Oh my god, I look crazy. I woke up like an hour ago and I was in my room editing the clips from the beach. So yesterday we went to the bakery yesterday at 9. At like 11 and I bought this. We bought bread and I bought this. We're gonna eat it for TV in there. It's me again, coming from the beach. Been a nasty girl. I'm gonna make this thing that I bought on Aldi. I wanted to buy the cups, like the Stanley ones, but like the more not expensive. I wanted to buy one of those in Walmart, but my stepmother, she told me that the ones that are in Walmart are the ways, like, and she prefers to buy the Stanley if they are cute. is the new member of the room, Tata. So pretty.